look what I go on this. Yeah man, that cooking up. Yeah. I'm gonna lock off the stove now. People, my dough is fully done now. Yeah, we're out here cooking some pumpkin dumpling. Check what I go on. Yeah man. Fully neat. Yeah, so I get this boil up now. Yeah, we're having some pumpkin dumpling. Chicken back, brown stew, chicken back. Jamaican thing. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Yeah, out here again cooking some food, you know? Check out what I go on. Yeah, man, we got water there. We got some chicken back here, so season, salt, oil. Yeah, man, pumpkin dumpling, my people, yeah? We're gonna grate the pumpkin with this grate right here. Yeah, and then we're gonna knead it with the flour right here. Need fully prepped now and wash and clean up. Yeah, fresh, fully fresh. Time to get some seasoning on it and some salt. Yeah, time to have a look at brownie. To the block. That is it, guys. So get you when I need the flour now. So now I'm gonna get this pumpkin grated. I'm gonna grate it and knead it with the flour here. Yeah, I'm gonna make it some pumpkin dumplings. So I'm gonna get it grate now. Now the pumpkin is fully grated. Now we are going to roll a dough with this grated pumpkin. Yeah, we are cooking pumpkin dumpling. Yeah man, the pumpkin fully grated, I say no people. Yeah, no measure nothing, no people. So we make a roll a dough with this now. Yeah. People, my dough is fully done now. Yeah, we're out here cooking some pumpkin dumpling. Check what I go on. Yeah man, fully neat people. Yeah, so I get this boil up now. Yeah, we're having some pumpkin dumpling with chicken back, brown stew, chicken back, Jamaican thing. The meat was fully marinated. Yeah man, well seasoned down to the bone and marinated. Yeah, I get it fry up now. Chickens. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah my people, look what I go on this. Yeah man, that cooking up. Yeah. I'm on my lock off the stove now. So now I take a look a while and I know say chicken back off it. Cook down properly. Lock out the fire. Fully cooked. To come to that time now. Yeah man, say dumpling fully cooked. Now chicken back I go down right now. I'm gonna add some tomato paste in it. It fully cooked down. Yeah. It's gonna be yummy delicious. Can you smell that? Yeah man, so catch me, I eat some food. Yeah. Yeah my people, look at that. It's that time now. Yeah man. So we're out here now. Yeah man, some pumpkin dumpling finally finished cook. Yeah, so catch me, I eat some food now. Yeah, big up all of my subscribers them in the building. Yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a comment. Yeah man, watch me eat some food and now look at that. Yeah man, pumpkin dumpling and chicken back. Smell yummy delicious. Look at that. Yeah man, it's that time now. Yeah. Some brown stew chicken and pumpkin dumpling. Can you smell that? Look at that. So yummy. Some brown stew chicken back. Sorry about that. Yeah man. Some pumpkin dumpling. Look at that. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. And taste this. One more taste again. Let's get explain how this one tastes. Straight pumpkin. People, I'm tell you, can't wait to finish it, this people. People, the bone soft. And chop the whole of the bone. Fully cooked. Fully seasoned up. Yes, my people, look at that. People, this is a real full belly food, people. You eat this food, you can't hungry for 1 week. Words can't explain how this one tastes. One more dive, we dive in it again, people. Look at that. Now 1 glass of lemonade. Check it. Fully ice up. Yeah. 1 more dive in it again. Yeah, man. Catch me in the next one. I'm out.